Casement Windows Glendale, Arizona is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our professional window services in Glendale, Arizona ensure that every casement window installation is executed with precision and care, providing you with energy-efficient windows that stand the test of time. Window replacement services in Glendale, AZ are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our team specializes in custom casement windows. Glendale, Arizona, offering a variety of styles and materials, including vinyl casement windows, Glendale, aluminum casement windows in Glendale, Arizona, and wooden casement windows, Glendale, AZ. Energy-efficient windows Glendale are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our window insulation solutions. Glendale are designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, making your living space more enjoyable year-round. For those in need of window installation services, Glendale, AZ, our experts provide comprehensive window frame installation, Glendale, Arizona, and window glass replacement, Glendale, AZ. We also offer window hardware installation, Glendale, AZ, and window sealing services, Glendale, Arizona, to ensure your windows function flawlessly. Affordable casement windows. Glendale are available in a range of styles to suit any home design. Our casement window styles, Glendale, include options for every taste, from traditional to contemporary, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Window maintenance, Glendale, AZ is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Our window maintenance services include window cleaning services, Glendale, Arizona, and window screen installation, Glendale, AZ, keeping your windows looking and performing their best. Casement window upgrades. Glendale can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Our window design consultation. Glendale, AZ, helps you choose the right upgrades. Whether you're interested in double-glazed windows, Glendale, Arizona, or window noise reduction. Glendale, Arizona. Window fitting services, Glendale, Arizona, are performed by our skilled technicians, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for every installation. We also prioritize window safety features, Glendale, AZ, providing peace of mind for you and your family. For those seeking window noise reduction, Glendale, Arizona, our double-glazed windows. Glendale, Arizona offers superior soundproofing, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Our window insulation solutions, Glendale, further enhance this benefit, making your home a sanctuary from outside noise. Window sealing services. Glendale, Arizona, are essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our team ensures that every window is properly sealed, providing you with a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Custom casement windows. Glendale, Arizona, are tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Our window design consultation, Glendale, AZ, helps you select the perfect style, material, and features for your home, ensuring a personalized and unique look. Window screen installation. Glendale, AZ, is a practical addition to any home, providing protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Our window screen installation services are quick and efficient, enhancing your home's comfort and functionality. Professional window services, Glendale, Arizona, encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and replacement. Our team is dedicated to providing top-quality service and ensuring your complete satisfaction with every project.